Can you tell me how can one miss what she never had? How could I reminisce when there is no past? How could I have memories of being happy? You boy, can someone tell me how can this be? How could my mind for our incidents recall distant times that never happened? How could we celebrate a love that's too late? And how could I really mean the words about I miss the times that we always shared? I miss the love that was almost there. I miss the times that we used to kiss. These are my dreams, just let me take my time and remember. I miss the times that we never had. What happened to us? We were almost there. Whoever said it's impossible to miss, you never had. Never almost had you. Never let you go. I should've went out with you. I should've made you look a fool. Yeah, that's one time I should've broke the rules. I should've went on the day. Found a way to escape. Just turned it almost into it happened. Now it's too late. How could we celebrate a love that wasn't real? And if it didn't happen, why does my heart beat? I miss the love that was almost there. I miss the times that we used to kiss. And these are my dreams, just let me take my time and breathe. Missing the times that we never had. What happened to us? We were almost there. Whoever said it's impossible to miss, you never said.
Let's promise to be everlasting love. I don't know why it's so hard to tell you. The feelings inside come sooner or later.